Welcome back, guys. So in this video we're going to be going through some essential things which I personally do when I install any WordPress copy on any particular new domain. So the first thing which I do is I go to settings, I go to general. So in the general tab, you can change the site title, you can change the tagline over here. You can change the WordPress address URL and the site address URL. So let's suppose WordPress address URL is something which you use to log into your WordPress dashboard, which is like for me it would be digitalpratikshow.com/wp-admin. So if I want www version, then I can have it over here. So that is what it is mentioned over here. Enter the address here if you want your site homepage to be different from your WordPress installation directory. All right, so you can change it over here. And you can change the email address mentioned over here. So obviously you won't be able to see the complete one, but you can change the email address which you want to use for admin purposes right over here. Once you are satisfied with all the changes, those are the normal changes which I personally do. Click on save changes. Make sure you click on save changes or else you will lose all the changes. Then comes writing. So click on writing, and in here there is something like update services. So when you publish a new post, WordPress automatically notifies the following site update services. For more about this, blah blah blah, separate multiple service URLs with line breaks. So this is the update service. You don't have to go into the technicalities, but this is the one where you have to add a few more. So I'll just move my video over here and I'll just elongate or expand this box. So I'll grab a few more update service over here from shoutmeloud.com, which is one of the finest blogs for WordPress. So I go to shoutmeloud.com space ping services. All right, let me just search by that WordPress ping list for faster indexing of new post. So in here, Harsh Agarwal, the founder of Shoutmeloud, he is giving you all the list, and let's just scroll a little bit down, and there you go. So I'll just copy this, come back to your WordPress, and I'll simply paste the complete one. All right, and that's it. Click on save changes and you are all set to go. Don't try to understand. If you want to understand, you can just go ahead and check out shoutmeloud.com/wordpress-ping-list.html. This is the one which you can read the article from, and you can just copy this entire thing. So I'll make sure that I put up this link in the notes section or the resources section of this particular video. Now comes the reading part. So click on reading, and in here you can select your home page displays your latest post or static page. So static page is something which you design uniquely, and then you can just set this as your home page, which we'll do later on, but for the time being I'll just not do anything over here. And then comes permalinks. So go to permalinks, and this is where change this DN name to post name, so that it would have all the links like this. So whatever your title name would be, you will have something like this. All right, instead of all the scrappy little numbers and categories and month and name, you will have a plain and simple URL which is also SEO friendly. So make sure you select that and click on save changes. Next thing which I'll do is I'll clean up all my plugins. I just make my WordPress copy fresh. So I'll close this, and I would deactivate this Bluehost, which I don't require. I will also deactivate Jetpack by WordPress, and I would select everything. I'll uncheck this Akismet anti-spam, which I require, which will activate later on, but I don't require any three of them. So we deactivated all of them, and now in bulk actions we'll just delete and click on apply, okay, and all three of them would be deleted. All right, so we have a clean copy of WordPress plugins now. Now we go to our pages and we'll do the same. We don't require any of these dummy pages, so we'll select everything, click on move trash, apply, and we'll go to trash as well, and we'll remove them from trash itself. So this is like deleting it from trash bin or recycle bin on your computer. We'll do the same for posts. We'll click on trash. There is only one of them, and we'll go to trash. We'll just delete it permanently. So that's the thing which I personally do when I go into any of the WordPress copies. So I just delete everything, and now I have a fresh copy. So those are the essential things which I personally do, and later on in the next upcoming lessons or upcoming videos, we'll just figure out how we can just enhance our website. All right, so see you in the next one.